Welcome. This is Mike Stout, Senior Asset Consultant for Network Consulting Services Incorporated. Today, we're focusing on one of the major benefits of a mature ITAM program. That is business intelligence. There are many tools in the Ivanti ITAM solution to help you answer your critical asset business questions. Here are the top 3 business intelligence features in Neurons for ITAM. Number 3, saved searches. Arguably the most powerful and the most difficult to master is the so-called saved search. The power comes from the point-and-click user experience, allowing you to create from very simple queries to insanely complicated expressions that have access to the entire database schema. In this example, we're going to create a saved search by selecting the business object, in this case CI. We're going to select the field status, and then we're going to select the operator equal to, and then finally the value assigned. When we run it, we see the results here. To see assets in an in-stock status, we would simply change the value. Sometimes the data that we see in a list or a form is stored in a related table, such as we see here in the Assign Manufacturer field. If we want to query the data in a related table and we simply need to replace the object name, in this case CI, with the name of the relation. Once that is done, we will be selecting fields from the related table, in this case manufacturer, and that'll give us the desired results. So if we cause our query to read manufacturer equal to Dell, the results will show all the Dells in our repository. Another killer feature of saved searches is the ability to group queries together with an AND or an OR, creating expressions that can be as complex as needed. In this case, I'd like to find all of the assets that are not only in stock, but are also have type laptop. If you want to create saved searches like a pro, you need to utilize formulas. Instead of just putting a static value into your queries, such as in stock, you can drop down into the expression editor, which opens up an entire toolbox of formulas, other fields, and features that enable a query like, tell me something that happened in the last calendar window. Number 2, list filters and sorts. This familiar feature closely resembles the popular features of the Microsoft Excel user experience. Like Excel, a user can very quickly create ad hoc views of asset data. One of the things I like the most of this approach is that the feedback from the filter is immediate and visual. For example, from a list view, you'll notice that the column headings have an icon that resembles an upside-down triangle. When you click on that filter icon, you get several features. Sort ascending, sort to descending, columns, grouped by this field showing groups and filters. Let's focus on the filter feature for a second. Filter is very useful for creating a type-ahead search that will look anywhere in the data column for the thing that you've typed. Let's say we're interested in finding Optiplex. If I start to type OPTI, you'll notice that the Optiplex pop right up. If you were interested in the model 3000, you start typing 30, and again, the data you're looking for appears immediately. As far as retrieving data ad hoc is concerned, this is about as flexible as you get for a web interface. It's extremely useful. Number 1, dashboards. Okay, the very first thing you're presented with when you log on to Neurons for ITAM is the dashboards for your role, so they are hard to miss. Dashboards can offer a visible, high-level, automatically updated view of whatever you are interested in monitoring. Like everything else in Neurons ITAM, they are organized by the business object such as CI. Technically, a dashboard is a collection of 1 to 6 of what referred to as charts. They can be arranged any way you like, and there are many out-of-the-box charts, so be sure to see if what you want already exists. Our old friend saved searches also shows up because they can be used to control the row selection of the chart. As we log in, we see our default dashboard under the Home workspace. Clicking on a segment exposes the next drill down for the Assets by Type chart. If you would like a quick image for a presentation, just click the Export to Image icon. For greater visibility, we can maximize the chart, revealing some of the hard-to-see segments. To edit a dashboard, click the My Dashboards list. Click the All Dashboards. In this case, we are going to edit the existing dashboard named Asset Manager. This exposes the properties of the dashboard where you can enter the layout, name description, as well as other properties. To change a chart in the dashboard, click the pencil which exposes the chart wizard. From here, you can enter the name, type, object, as well as header and footer properties. The aggregate by property allows you to select what each segment or bar represents, either a sum or average. As I mentioned earlier, a saved search can be used to pick which rows in the business object will be displayed by the chart. The drill down tab allows you to nest the chart with child charts based on what you click on. Very slick. Once your edits are complete, click Save and refresh your screen. Easy. This has been the top 3 business intelligence features for Neurons ITAM. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos about stuff that we at NCSI are really good at.